You have been lied to about the animal kingdom. Scientists just discovered that a common octopus has 3 hearts. Imagine that. One pumps blood to the body, while the other 2 circulate it to the gills. Now think about the electric eel, which can generate up to 600 volts of electricity, more powerful than a stun gun. And did you know that a single starfish can regrow its entire body from just 1 arm? Nature's secrets are stranger than we ever imagined. Which bizarre animal fact shocked you the most? Drop a comment below.